أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم
قل كل يعمل على شاكلته فربكم أعلم بمن هو أهدى سبيلا صدق الله العلي العظيم. Everyone acts according to their shakila. That surely your Lord is the one who knows the best, who is the most guided on this path.
As mentioned in Sayyid Asad's first lecture, if you're trying to work with a tree that's not giving fruit, you cannot cut the twigs and fix the branches and expect for the tree to bloom while the roots are still rotting. We need to fix the roots, and the tree will then automatically bloom. Let us fix our roots so that way we can also bloom and not allow the issues around the world to affect and spoil us. Today's topic is the struggle we go through when maintaining our faith and our principles in the current world. For a lot of us, when we struggle, we want to be noticed. It is important to remember that Allah sees you and sees your effort, and the reward lies in that effort. He notices and promises good for those who strive. Here's a question. What is the difference between you and an atheist, both struggling to be good? You are a believer in God and the atheist is not. Imagine that both of you decide to volunteer in a soup kitchen. One day, the atheist doesn't go because they are not feeling well. As far as their morality goes, they did not do anything good that day. They didn't externalize their intention, so they did nothing. Let's say the same thing happened to you. You're not feeling well one day, so you can't volunteer in the soup kitchen. Allah still rewards you for your intention and sincerity. That is how much Allah notices you. You are so important that for the intent of doing a good deed, you are rewarded. So don't look for validation here and there. Don't look for it in people who don't even know what you're going through. Allah is the all-knowing and alim and promises a great reward for those who strive. As mentioned in Surah Nisa verse 95, the holders back from among the believers not having any injury, and those who strive hard in Allah's way with their property and their persons are not equal. Allah has made the strivers with their property and their persons to excel the holders back a high degree, and to each class Allah has promised good, and Allah shall grant to the strivers above the holders back a mighty reward. Allah says, for the one who struggles, not only will I grant you, acknowledge you, but you have a great reward. It is not easy. There is a struggle. Allah is specifically not grouping everyone together. He is talking about those who struggle, and He praises them. Everyone's disposition, shakila, is different. There is one reality, but different derivatives. Let us explain this using an example. Muhammad has a neighbor, Jerry. Jerry is great at lawn keeping, but Muhammad is not. Muhammad has not planted anything and doesn't even have a lawnmower. When it rains, Jerry's lawn will flourish. Muhammad's lawn will look as dead as ever. Here is one source, rain, but different derivatives, a good lawn and a bad lawn. Let's look at another example. Consider Prophet Yusuf's beauty as one source. The different derivatives are, number 1, his father, Prophet Yaqub. He would look at Prophet Yusuf and remember the beauty of Allah. He would remember and do dhikr when he saw his son. Number 2, the brothers. Prophet Yusuf's beauty caused jealousy and led them to leaving him in a well. Number 3, Zulaykha. Prophet Yusuf's beauty was what she chased so much until she got ridiculed. As we see here, there is one reality, however, every single person is a different derivative and has a different disposition. This is because every single person has a different path and a different journey. Allah knows us based on our entirety, and our relationship with Him is beautifully holistic. This means that we should not compare ourselves to others. Allah does not compare us to one another. We shouldn't compare ourselves either. An unjust God sees all and judges all the same. A just God sees every single individual. Allah has given us all the tools, but He will not make us do a certain thing. He has given us the potential, but the potential is not good enough. We need to take that potential and manifest it to build our disposition.
يا حسين 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 يا حسين 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 يا حسين